Hey, hi friend, this is Taposh and welcome to this video. So in this video we will learn another productive hacks in Microsoft Excel. So that function will help us to increase our productivity. That will reduce our working time and we can deliver more work in less time. So the function name is filter. So we will see how we can use that filter. It is not the basic filter, so that filter you can use, I will show you. But suppose if you have large data, some big data you have, 1,000 or lakhs data you have, or billions of data you have, so in that case this function will help you. This function will reduce our working time like anything. Okay, so it will reduce our working time and we can deliver more work in less time. Okay, so here I have, for example purpose, I have taken only a small data we have for this example purpose. So what I will do is, suppose this is my report or this is my table. So here offices are there, departments are there, and employees are there. So now I want to know how many offices are there in Mumbai city or any here it should be city or anything. So I will say office city. Anyway, so I just want to know how many offices are there in Mumbai city or Kolkata city or Delhi city or Bangalore. How many offices are there, or how many finance departments are there, or how many IT departments are there, any particular how many IT companies are there in Mumbai or Delhi or Bangalore, like that way. So what I will do is, we can do normal filter, right? Here we can click and then the filter option is there, or otherwise Control Shift L, and then we can filter any city. That is one part. So suppose Ahmedabad I have taken, so here Ahmedabad will come like this way. So when I will filter this thing like this way, whenever I will filter, actually I am playing with the raw data, I am playing with the main sheet. Okay, so here I can't see any other data, only the Ahmedabad. So without disturbing the actual data, how we can filter, in this particular video we will learn. So now Control Shift L, again the main function, main report will come. So how we can do is, here any other place we need to copy the header only. So I have copied this thing. Suppose this is my A, I will copy it, I will paste it. So here it is. So now what I will do is, I will go to the office. Suppose I want to know in Mumbai city what are the departments are there. Okay, or the Bangalore city what are the departments are there, and employees are there. So all the details, when I will select Mumbai, so all the like finance, IT, all those things will come, employees also will come. So let's check how it will come. So equal, now filter, tab. Now it's asked, there are two arguments, one is array and another one is three arguments, two is mandatory and one is optional. So the first argument is array and the second argument is include. So what is array? Array means I need to provide the entire table, I need to provide the entire data without the header. So what I will do is, I will copy from here and I will select my data. Here it is. Now I will press comma. Now it is asking includes. So what include means, what I want. Suppose city wise, how many things are, how many departments, how many employees are there, all the things I want. So where that city wise I want, right? So where the city is, my city is in this field, so I will provide the range here. I will not include the header, I will, apart from header I will select everything. And now what I will do is equal, then which city I want. I have given the range. Now I will inform Excel that which city I want. Suppose my case I need Mumbai. Let me check. So whenever, in the earlier video I also told that whenever we will write any text, it should be in double quotation, it should be inside double quotation. So quotation, now Mumbai, now I will close the quotation, now I will close the bracket. Now here it is. So I think you have understood. Equal function, then I will provide the entire range. Then suppose I want city, so the entire city range I will select. Then which city I want, equal that city I need to mention. Now I will press enter. Now see the magic. So in Mumbai city, what are the things are there, everything has come, like Mumbai city finance is there, customer support is there, compliances is there. Okay, so in Mumbai city everything is there, and it is dynamic. If I change anything now, suppose if I change anything here, it will reflect. Okay, in the same way, what you can do is, suppose I want the department wise. Suppose here it is only I am seeing in Mumbai. So Mumbai, how many departments are there? How many employees are there? I have checked. Now I want to check that how many IT departments are there total. How many IT departments they are there all over the country? Like maybe in Mumbai, maybe Bangalore one, maybe Mumbai one, maybe Delhi one. So the total IT will come here. Here total city came, but here if I select like that way, so total IT department will come. So let's check. I think here only unique value is there. There is no reputation. So anyway, we will let me check. So I will copy this thing. The header I will copy. Then I will paste it here. And now let's see. I will go to here. Now filter. Sorry, equal filter. Tab. Now the array. I need to provide the entire table. Okay. Now comma. Now comma. Now it is asking include. So which what are the things I want to highlight? I want to know. Suppose the department wise, right? So I will select the department. I want to see the department. So department, then equal, then quotation, then which department I want. Suppose IT department. I will close the quotation. I will close the bracket, and now let's see. Here it is. So Bangalore is only one one IT department is there. That is only in Bangalore. No, any other place it is not there. So it is unique. So what I will do is, as it is dynamic, so what I will do is, suppose here I will, for Mumbai I will write it IT. Now let's see whether it is two fields there or not. See, here it is here. So IT, there are two IT offices are there. One is Bengaluru, one is Mumbai. There is in Mumbai city there are three offices, like finance, customer support, and IT. So here is one problem. The problem means this is perfectly okay. Now suppose if you click anywhere, now you will see where it is. It is the formula bar. The formula bar, you will get this. Anywhere you will click it. So the good practice is not like this. So you can remove that function as well. So how you can do it? Suppose you will copy it. I will copy it. I will go to any other place. Then I will right click it. There is one paste special, then paste value. I will select this only values. Okay. So whenever I will do it, so it will come like this way. But here you will not get any formula. You will not get any, so anyone, they will not get any formula, only values. But here the formulas is there. So the best practice is, whenever you will share something, what you will do is you just copy it and paste special as a value, then it will work. Now you can format paint it. So this is what. Now go to home page, format it, and now format paint it. Now you can create a table or anything based on your requirement. So I think you have understood how we can use this advanced filter option, how we can use, and we are not disturbing our main report, right? We are not disturbing it. So whenever you will use normal filter, that time only that portion will be visible. So any other data you will not get. But without disturbing that actual data set, you can create a filter like this way. So this will reduce our working time, and this will help us to make this will help us to become super productive person in our working place. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video in a different subject. Thank you.